Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can combine videos on TikTok. I will show you guys how you can merge multiple videos on TikTok easily. So guys, want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help us grow our YouTube channel. So guys, first of all, you open your TikTok app. Tap on your TikTok app to open it. Sorry guys, I had to reduce the volume. So guys, normally if you want to make a post on TikTok, you tap on the plus icon there, you can see it there below. You tap on it. Then you tap on the upload there, you can see it there. You tap on it. Then you go over to the video section, you can see the video section is the middle one. You tap on it. So guys, I'm going to be choosing the videos I'm going to merge together. I will show you guys how you can combine videos together, how you can edit them so that they can come out so good. What you have to do first of all is to tap on the select multiple. You can see it there below. You tap on it to mark it. You can see it now. Then you can go ahead to select the videos that you want to combine together. Let me select this one. I'm getting this one. Let me get this one. 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me go with 5 videos. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on next. Don't tap on auto cut, tap on next. If you tap on auto cut, you won't be able to edit the videos, you won't be able to edit the individual videos to cut and add videos together. So let's tap on next. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the adjust clip. On those features that you have on the right side, adjust clip is among them. You tap on it, you can see it there below. Tap on it. So guys, this is where we can actually edit our individual videos. You can see the multiple videos. You can see this one over here. This is the first video. You can edit the video. You can cut some parts. You can cut the beginning. You can cut the end. You can adjust it to where you want. When you're done adjusting it, tap on good. So you go over to the second video. Let me go over to the second video. This is the second video. You can adjust as well. You can continue to adjust, cut out the parts that you don't need. Then you tap on good again. You can go to the fourth video. This is the third video, rather the third video. You can see, you can cut it, tap on good. They can go to the fourth. This is the fourth video. You can see, you can adjust, then you tap on good. So guys, you can do that for all of the videos. In case you want to add an extra video, you can see the plus icon there at the end of the videos. You can see it there. You tap on it to take you back to your gallery so that you can add an extra video. Then you go over to your video section. Then you can go ahead to add another video. You can see I've chosen another video. You can see it there. I just choose one. Then you tap on OK. You can see guys, it has been added. Let's tap on it. You can see this is the video I just added just now. You can as well adjust it and edit it. Then you tap on good. So guys, before I forget, there's something you need to take note of. If you want to use a particular sound for all of this video, you want to use a particular sound for the multiple videos, what you have to do is to tap on the sound sync. You can see it there. Tap on it. If you tap on sound sync, it's going to use a particular song or a particular sound on TikTok for all of them. But if you leave it on default, the individual sounds on the video will play out. You get me? So guys, once you're done with all of this, you tap on save. Save your edit. So guys, you can see we've saved our edit. Let's see what it's like. Sorry guys, I had to reduce the volume because most of the music they actually dancing to has some copyright issues attached to them. I don't want YouTube to flag my video as being copyrighted. That's why I had to reduce the volume. Just bear with me till we end this video. So guys, once you're done with all of the editing, you can go ahead to choose whatever effect that you want to use. You can go ahead to use all of these features that we have here on the right side of your phone. You can actually add a text, you can add a sticker, you can use an effect, you can use the filters, you can also reduce the noise around the video. You can also add the voice over the video. So guys, go ahead and use all of these features that we have here. Once you're done using them, you tap on next. So guys, this is where you add the description to your video. You can go ahead to type in the description that you need and also the hashtags that you want to put in. So let me put in the hashtags. Then put my hashtags. That can go ahead to write a description. This is a tutorial video. This is a tutorial video. So guys, once you're done writing your description, you can go ahead to tag some persons if you want to tag. You can go ahead to add your location if you want to add your location. You can go ahead to set this video to who can see it. You can decide to set it to everyone can see it, or you can decide to set it to just only you, or you can just decide to set it to just your friends. So guys, once you're done with all of these settings, you then tap on post. You can see post down below, you just tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is how you actually combine videos in your TikTok app. I believe you've been able to know how to merge your videos together like a pro, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.